Let's take a look at the results now for gold. Gold's a market everyone loves trading gold. We had the last buy signal here in October. So if you've been trading on the 4-hour time frame all the way up here while it's been green, which it still is, you'd be up a whopping 60% with a 10 grand account, guys. You would have made £6,083. Absolutely fantastic returns, okay? So if you're somebody who likes trading gold, can't get enough profit from it because you're making mistakes or don't have the time, then why not set it on autopilot? Let us take care of helping you set it up, manage the bots, turn it off when it needs to be turned off, turn it on when it needs to be turned on. The risk, we'll show you how to set this all up with our course, and you get all the software. You get all this software and our trading bots. So all you got to look for, guys, run the scanner, find the green buys, turn the bot on, and it does all the work for you. Dive into our AI Pro Trader program now, guys. It is brilliant.